There he is right there. I'm talking about, there he is. Stay down. Stay down, baby. Stay down. Look at here, guys. Look at here. You gotta be careful. Check that out right there, guys. What's up, guys? I'm walking to get in my boat this morning. Check this out. A snake has shed its skin right here. Nice. It's pretty cool. To check out the setup here. This is what we're fishing out of today. This is the Bass Hunter yet. And this is only the second time I've ever fished out of this thing, and I'm pretty excited about getting in it. You know, I've used a kayak. I think a kayak was a little easier to load, but man, I've got this dude loaded down. I can take everything with me. Plus I got a little motor on it back there. Well, let's get out there and see what we can do. So let me explain to you a little bit what we're doing today. Early in the morning like this, and this is a tip, this is something that I do that I don't know that necessarily everybody does. Man, bass usually feed at night when it's cooler. You know, see this bank right here? This bank right here, this water right here is going to get extremely hot during the day, and these bass are going to move off of this and move over into water that's deeper with shade. But right now, I know there's bait fish up around this stuff, so we're going to try fishing it. And let me show you the bait that I'm using. I absolutely love, let me get it on here. I absolutely love using topwater baits. And this is a walking bait. And so I'm going to throw this walking bait up here and see if I can't pull off and catch some of these fish that are still up in here early this morning and they're feeding. I am fishing this bait with a loop knot. Can y'all see that? And I'm hoping that this loop knot right here, you see how it doesn't get tight to the bait? I'm hoping that loop knot helps this walking bait have a little bit more action. It's kind of what I'm hoping for. There he is right there. There he is. Yeah. Heck yeah. Nice. Ow. They're there. Not a giant, but man, we're catching them. Heck yeah. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. Let's get back to it. There he is. I got him that time. He hit it again and I got him. Heck yeah. I ain't seen him yet though. There he is. There he is. Got him kind of close to my rod, don't I? Let's give him a little slack here. Let's just flip him up in here. Well, not a monster yet, but listen, we're hitting hits, and I love getting hits on these things. Nice. Let's do it again. You want to? There he is right there. There he is. There he is. That's a little better fish. Look at there. Heck yeah, that's a little better fish. Check that out. He liked that topwater bait too, didn't he? Heck yeah. There goes my thumb, baby. Oh. Heck yeah, that's a little better fish. That's what we're looking for. Hey guys, if y'all hadn't clicked the subscribe button yet and you're still watching, I'd sure appreciate it. Just ease over there and go and click it for me. It's free, doesn't cost you anything. There he is right there, got him. I guess they are still hitting the top water. Nice, nice, finally. Way at. Listen, little man, knock it off. There ain't much to that one, but he got caught on topwater. I know that. Sweet. There he is right there, baby. There he is. Stay down. Stay down. You don't want to jump. Stay down. All them hooks in you. He pulled this little boat around, guys. Look at here. Look at here. Come on. Whoop. Nice. Nice. Heck yeah. Nice fish, ain't it? Man, I love catching these things. These things are so fun to catch. Let's see how long he is. He is 16 3/4 inches long. Nice. Woo! There he is right there. Got him. I love watching them explode, guys. Man, I love watching them explode. And I hear another one up in there blowing up on something. And there. Boy, it's fun. Not great big, but they are blowing up when they hit it. Let's see how long he is. I like to see him. He's about 14 inches. Nice. Nice fish. Heck yeah. So let me tell y'all what we're doing now. Now that it's a lot hotter, right against the bank, I've moved out here into the timber where it's a lot more shady. And you see this? Now I'm fishing a little deeper. It's a little cooler down there, and it seems like as soon as I started dropping the bait down a little bit deeper, after it got warm, I started picking up a few fish. So, man, we're gonna stick around and see if we can't catch a couple more. That's usually a good fish when they hit that thing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Guys, we put some smaller fish in the boat, and I switched over to a jig. Usually when I fish with jigs, I catch a little better fish. There he is. There he is. I ain't got a good hook set and he's coming right to the boat. Yeah, I still got him. He hit it again. Oh my gosh. Did y'all see that? Huh? He missed it and he come, look at here, and he fell off right here at the boat. Yeah. Now that was fun right there. Peace world, quit, you're caught. Look at that. That was pretty cool. He hit it and then he come straight to the boat and he spit it out and the bait come through here and he run up and he grabbed it again. Nice. All right, well, that was fun. Man, that about wraps it up for the day. I didn't catch any monsters, 10 or 12 fish, but man, every single one of them put up a fight. And that's what it's all about, just getting out here, wetting the line, and enjoying the good Lord's creation. Man, if you had fun watching, I'd appreciate you hitting that subscribe button, liking the channel, and hey, leave me a comment. I have got plenty fishing, hunting, and outdoor fun headed your way. Till next time, keep your lines tight and keep your bait where the fish can see it. I'll catch y'all on the next one.